Hey guys, welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Well, today I bring you a full unboxing of this Maisto 1/18 scale Ford Explorer Sport Trac. I got this model from eBay for around $50, and it is the white version, which is probably one of the, more let's just say harder to find and usually a little more expensive models. So I think that is a pretty good deal for one of these. Now with the more common colors, obviously that price is going to be just a little lower, close to where maybe I got it, or maybe even lower if you're lucky. But usually these sport tracks from Maisto, sport track, usually go for about that or more. Which is kind of weird because most people think it's a horrible car, but I think they're weird and I like them and I think they're pretty cool. So I guess we'll go ahead and open it. Do not crush, fold or bend. Very nice seller. It actually was an auction. Usually I do buy it nows, just because it's easier, and you don't have to do kind of a bidding war, I guess, between the people. But I decided, sometimes you can get better deals on auctions, just because either people, what's the word? People just don't. A lot of people professionally bid kind of. That's their job. They buy and then they resell them for a profit. So obviously, people will sometimes win over you. Usually they'll bid at the last second and get the item. So that's kind of the thing you got to watch out for on auction. I was lucky enough, and I did the same thing actually. I bid the last second to get the car. It's maybe not the nicest. Ooh, they're mad. The fellow ducks over there. Sometimes it's not the nicest thing to do that, but it's like, it's going to come between me and getting the car, I'm going to do it, And let's see if I can move this table just a bit. I don't want these packing peanuts to go absolutely everywhere, which is probably going to happen either way, but I'll try to minimize that. Try to, as they put it upside down, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's going to go over here. There it is. There's a packing peanut on my phone. Let's see if we can pick some of these up. I don't want them going everywhere. Just definitely don't want to get all these. Make sure that's everything. Okay. So here it is. The Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Yep, super common. These tailgates always fall open. On the Chevrolet Colorado and Canyon from them, they just always fall open. Same thing with my GMC Canyon. It does the same thing. So it's definitely not it's definitely a common thing with all their trucks. Yeah. So this was kind of like an Avalanche. Chevy made the Avalanche, which was like a kind of a Tahoe truck, which is kind of weird with the pillars in the back and everything. And this was kind of Ford's take at it. And, some people hated it. Some people loved it. No, I'm one of the people who kind of like them. And there was a couple versions of it. The XL or XLT, the Lariat, I believe. Maybe Limited, and then the Adrenaline. And the Adrenaline had, I believe, an upgraded V8, I think. Or something. I believe. But yeah, so here it is. The only damage to this is right here in the corner. I can maybe try to see if I can bend that back together, but we won't worry about that right now. We'll go ahead and take it out of the box. It's made in 10 of 2000. This is a 2000 model of the Ford. Set y'all down real quick. These Premier Edition boxes are pretty big compared to the other Special Edition versions. Oh, there we go. Looks like it has the showroom display unit things, and they fell out, so let me go ahead and get those. There we go. Yeah, go ahead and shut the tailgate. There we go. So there it is up close. Very nice model. Looks like you got the branded tires. Cool feature with these is if you put down the tailgate, you can also put down this bed extender. It's pretty neat. Which was a real option, of course, on the Ford Explorer Sport Trac back in the day. Of course, you actually have the full 4 opening doors, which is kind of rare. Maisto didn't do a lot of opening, 4 opening doors. If it was, a sedan and SUV or something like that. But yeah, so we have that. Of course, you have the opening hood, and I won't be taking off the straps in this video. I'll save that for the review of it. Yeah. Looks like we have is that a gray interior? Yeah, it looks like a gray, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, so there it is. It is like I said, it was the Premier Edition version of it. Of course, it was a special edition. I believe there was only a Premier Edition of this Ford Explorer Sport Trac, but I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that is the case. So yeah, so put in the comments down below what you think about this model or the real car, and I believe this is a really reasonable, pretty good price. Put in the comments down below what you think about when I got it for about $50. Is that a good price or not? I'm not 100% sure, and I think it's pretty good. Yeah. Put in the comments down below if you would like to see a review of this. In fact, I really haven't been doing a lot of those reviews because they just haven't been doing, well in views. The Audi e-tron review I did pretty good, but, some of them aren't doing as great, so I stopped doing them, but I kind of want to do those again just because I like reviewing them. So put in the comments down below if you'd like to see a review on it, like I said. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button if you already haven't. A lot of content like this will continue, as well as die-cast cars, reviews, unboxings, real car reviews, and maybe some details like I mentioned in a previous video. I do detail cars on the side, a little side hustle of detailing cars, and I'm not sure if that would get great views or not, but you know what, I might try it soon. So I might detail a car or two here and there, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, put in the comments down below, like I said, what you think about all of this car. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button and have a great rest of your day.